What's up, guys? Let me show you guys one of the strategy that make me $50 profit on what, on spot trading. This is not future trading, on spot trading. I'll advise you, encourage you to watch this video to the end and try to smash the subscribe button, like this video, share this video to all your friends to get this newly strategy for spot trade. Let me show you the profit first before I can move into the, let me click on the profits. You can see right now today I was able to make $50 profits on what, on spot trading. Maybe recently I trade futures once in a while. I was able to make one around $48, but today I just trade what I traded on spot only with my UTrading AI bots, and I was able to make what, $50. Let me show you all the coin I pick. I picked them. Let me show you all. Can you see even this particular coin? I'm still running on $8 profit right now, just for on just spot alone. No. When I click on this top, you are going to see something like $33 profit on BNB, then $17 profit on Solana. You can see, I'll show you the strategy you can use right now, so that's for beginner and advanced trader. Make sure you like and share this video to all your people. All right, and this video is just based on educational purpose, not for financial advisor. All right, try to remember, forex trading, crypto trading has to do with level of risk management. All right, so spot trading is lesser risker. Spot trading is very lesser risker than trading on futures. Don't forget to like, share this video. Before we go, the first thing you need to have is to just make sure to get your UGAS and try to go to store and try to get your UGAS. You can get the one of just pick the one, all right, that is very faster, execute your trade on time. All right, once you get, make sure you bind your account together with your Binance, Bybit, whatever account you have. Make sure you bind your account together successfully. Click on this API connect and connect. I have all the video how to do everything is down below this video. Everything is down, the link, the referral link, the video how to set up everything is down below this video. Just go and watch everything step by step. Let's jump into the video. The first thing you need to do, come to this market. When you come to market down below here, you are going to see, I normally trade Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, SRP, BNB, ADA. All these coins are aligned with daily trading for spot. I'm not talking about future trading. No, I'm talking about spot trading. Let's say I want to trade my favorite coin, Solana. Let's say I have $1,000 on my account. All right, and I want to use this particular robot, AIDCA. This is one of my number one strategy I want to teach you today. Try to like and follow me on this particular YouTube channel. I want to use AIDCA. This, all right, I'll pick my favorite, which is Solana, once alone. I can only trade with my 1,000. Let's say I have $1,000 on my account. I can only trade like one coin. I'm okay. Solana is very active coin right now. I'm using a DCA, manual DCA. Can you see? I'm not using this one. All right, so I'm using what, DCA, this one. So now, how much then, if you, for you that you don't know how to trade and you just want something automated, just change this one to auto. Come to auto, or you can select this one, anyone you like. All right, so the boat let me just click on this auto as a beginner, then save. All right, I have already. So now, let's say with my let's say you have $1,000 and you want to do this DCA strategy. Let me teach you. I would rather start with just $100 first. My first order is $100. You can see them. Then my max order can be 5, which is 5, because I want to use 500, but I will not enter immediately. I will be scaling up small. Now then I want to change it one to what, this one to, all right, 1. You can see. Then I want the price can be like about 3% drop, 1 or 2 points. Can you see? You can see it now. After first order, 2 point something drop. This one. So I'll be buying small. You can see as the market is dropping by 2.5, 3.2, 4.2, 5.2, the bots will be adding more position for me. For spot trading, it is very simple strategy. Try to like this video and share. It's very important, guys. Pam, you can see them. So now the next step right now is to just make sure to, let's say I want to set my take profit wherever. I'll click on that area. I'll just say okay, I normally use like 3%, because I'll just leave it. This one is for swing. I'll just leave the trade to run for like 1 week. Then you can also leave it on single, depend. Leave it on single, don't rush. Then you can see, you can also set this one, take profit for this one, depend. You can use either 4 point something, save. You can see I'm done. This one is very simple, because you can see I'm not entering the market at once. I'm entering the market small using DCA strategy. This one is very simple for advanced, for beginner friendly, without even doing any analysis. Just buy small, enter the market. As the market is dropping, the bot will start buying for you, small, little bit by little bit. At the end of the day, you are going to make your profits. Hope you understand. It's very simple. Then I will just say okay, launch down here. It's very simple. Now let me go and check the bot. You can see the bots will be waiting for the signal to trigger. You can see the bots will be waiting for the signal to trigger. All right. So but if you are a professional trader and you want to use, let me pick another coin, you want to use another strategy. Let's say I want to trade BNB. So if you're for this one, is another method you can use. All right, so I will just click on this one again. Then I'll select BNB 1. I'll select this one. This one is for professional trader. Then I'll click on this one. I want to use price trigger. You can see I want to use price. This is the two main strategy I want to teach you. If you are now, let me go and check what is the current price of BNB on my trading view account. Let me just go to my trading view right now. This is my trading view account, and I want to look for where the markets won't just rise. This is 1 hour chart. All right, 1 hour chart, you can see. So let me go to my 15-minute time frame for me to check the recent level where the market just rise. You can see this is the recent level. Let me use this is the recent level where the market just bounced. All right, around this zone. So this is my recent level around 858. So I can, if I want to buy, I will just make sure to buy around this area. Then I'll take my profits in this area. You can see I want to buy low. That is my first order. Then this is another recent level where the market just bounce up. All this area is very important too. You can see it. Okay, let me show you again. This is another level that you can also buy. So all this level is very important too. You can see So I can buy my first, then this another order. So all this level I mark are my points of interest I want to buy. You can see the market is doing higher high on this particular level. Let me draw my trend line to show you. On 15 minutes, the market is doing what? Higher low. You can see the market is uptrend around this level on the 15-minute time. We can see. So now I will be looking for what? Buy around this zone. So now my first order I want to buy is what? Is around, let's say I want to buy around 859.5. 859.5. Let me go to my UTrading to pick to set up my price. 859.5. all right, 859, this area I want to buy around this area, 859. Let's see, let me just switch around 859.5. all right, so now I'll just type in 859.5 here. It's 859.5, sorry, you can see 859. So the last price is, this is the last price, this is the current price. So 850, I want to buy at 859.5. that's my order trigger. So $200, then my max order should be 5 because I want to use $1,000 to buy it. So now I'll, this one size multiple, I'll change it to this one. Then my price gap should be 1 point. Can you see? I will be buying like that. It's 1 point. All right, so that's all. Let me do it again. 1. So I'm okay with this one. So you can, this is all my orders, small like that. As the market is dropping, it will buy, keep buying for me, small like this. So I'm okay. So my take profit should be my take profit should be 30%. all right, another take profit here, I will just say this one. So you can see, so but my trigger is around 859.5. I don't want to buy at current price, so, and I'm using $1,000 to trade, but I didn't buy once, small as the market is dropping. I'll be buying using DCA strategy. I'll just say okay, launch. It has launched now. So these are the main two strategies you can use for your trading. You can see, and you'll be making your money. You can see. So just wait for the bot to trigger. Then the strategy is to work well on for spot trading for beginner and advanced trader. Try to like this video, share this video to all your people. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.